With the player and agent equipped with stone, magma, and ice, the game can start. For this game, the player will place a block on the ground and the agent will place a block up in the air. We need the agent to know when the player has made a choice and respond with a choice of their own. Since this is when the agent will make their choice, let's create a new function called agent choose. The first thing that needs to happen is that the agent will move up one space to be in the proper position. We can use the agent move block from the agent folder, setting the direction to up. Next, the agent needs to choose which block from its inventory it will use. In our hide and seek game, the agent only ever placed blocks from slot 1. But with 3 different items in the agent's inventory, we need to pick one of those 3 slots, which we can do with the agent set active slot block from the agent folder. We don't want the agent to always pick the same slot, because that would make the game too easy. So let's randomize the agent's selection. We can use the pick random block from the math folder to pick a random number and set that as the active slot. What should be our range for the pick random block? The range should be from 1 to 3, since slots 1 through 3 have the blocks for stone, magma, and ice. With its block chosen, the agent is ready to show its decision. But we can't have the agent go first, because that would give the player a very unfair advantage. The agent needs to wait until the player has placed their block. How can we make the agent wait while the player is making up their mind? We have no idea how long the player might take, so a pause block won't be helpful. Instead, we can use a while loop. If nothing is beneath the agent, then the player still hasn't placed their block. The condition, while not agent detect down, will keep the loop running until the player has placed their block directly below the agent. Let's get the not block from the logic folder and add it to the top of our while loop. Then get the agent detect block from the agent folder, setting the direction to down. The action inside the while loop is to simply wait and do nothing. However, if we left our code like this, it might look like nothing is happening while we play, which could be interpreted as code not running at all. We can make the agent appear to spin by repeating an agent turn block while it's waiting for the player. This way, the player will know our code is still running. Also, having the agent spin can act as a sign that the agent is making up its mind or is waiting for the player to make their choice. After the player places their block below the agent, the while loop will terminate because the testing condition will be false. Now the agent can place its block upward to complete their turn. We'll use agent place from the agent folder and set it to up. Let's call the agent choose function in our chat command and test it out to see if it works. Once we see that the agent places a block after we do, we are ready to have the agent determine the results of the game. But first, we should program the agent to remove these blocks and return to the starting position so we can reset the game. We will do just that in our next video.